Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a 5 minute makeup tutorial, or what do I call it, makeup you can carry to work, fastest makeup look. I don't know how else I can explain it, but I mean I'm trying to film something that how fast you can wear your makeup and step out. This makeup can be carried to work, can be carried to anywhere. In fact, you can even use it for any event. That's if you want. But actually this was a challenge that was given to me by Solange on Instagram. She challenged myself and many other artists to do a 5 minute look. Her own was dope, her own was so fast. But in my honest opinion, if you are going to achieve this kind of look, you have to already have your lashes, or um I always advise people to do false lashes, the lash extension. If you're a lashes person, just wear your lash extension, that way you can have your lashes through the month. But this is just a false lash that I already fixed. So yeah, I'll be doing a 5 minutes video or a 5 minutes makeup look. You can always wear it to work or anywhere you want. So I will be starting right now. We're starting to count now. See, I'm done with my foundation. I wonder how many minutes we have left. I'm still on my foundation. So I'll be putting on concealer. Maybe somebody's waiting for you. You're already shouting, wait for me, or I'm done. Or I'm done setting my face. I will. Oh my god, my brush is trying to fuck me up. So did I not bring the whole? Oh my god, what is all this? I wonder how many minutes we have left. For my brows, I'll just brush it out and fill it in. And then what else? Eyeshadow. At this point, eyeshadow is not a must, but I'll just go in with a little bit of color. I forgot my lip gloss. So that is it for this look. And I'm done. I am done. How do I look? I wonder how many minutes. I'm filming with my phone, so I couldn't just time this, but I am done. I am literally done. How many minutes did we do? Did I do well? Did I? So that's it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. If we still have time, we can just still put a mascara under the eyes. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this look. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.